So the next question is, what do you do with your arm, your head, and your torso?
When we use our arms through the water with a big straight leg front kick, you need to go full range motion in that the arm goes as far back as you reach forwards. And to do that, you actually need to rotate the body. So the shoulders need to move to gain that full range motion. Have a look.
Notice how much I'm rotating, so the chest really turns around.
You will have noticed I also turn my head to be able to get my arm back. And in fact, that's actually the cue that you want to use with your clients. Ask them to look back at their arm as they perform the arm action.
It's really good for the vestibular system too. So turn the head all the way back, looking towards the back arm.
When I do that, it feels so good. It feels natural. It feels like it's helping me drive forwards.